What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here from the Total Knee Replacement Support Group YouTube channel. So it's possible that you've had your knee replacement and you want to get down on the ground. Maybe you want to play with the puppies, maybe you want to play with the grandkids, whatever you want to do. You want to work on getting down, getting back up safely after your knee replacement. Now, this particular video is dedicated to those people who are already past the 12-week mark, let's say. It's an arbitrary number, but I'm going to go in with 12 weeks. So what's the best way to work on this? Obviously, starting on the ground isn't the best way. You're going to start on the couch. So let's say I'm sitting on the couch and for demos, I'm going to pretend it's my right knee that had the knee replacement. So what are my options? I'm in the family room, I'm on the couch, there's a carpeted floor. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to slide over to give myself a little bit of room. I'm going to do a video on the rolling pin next. And so I'm essentially going to lay to the non-surgical side, right? As I lay to my non-surgical side, I put that side down. Even if you're not ready to start kneeling on the surgical knee yet, it's okay. Because what you're going to do is you're going to work this rotational pattern. So I go here, I roll, and now I'm just kind of chilling out on the ground. My surgical leg's out in front of me. I can be here to do what I need to do. This is a great opportunity to work on some new flexibility, where what I would do on the surgical side is I would bend it to whatever available flexion I have. And then I might just spend some time working into this, whether you want to call it like a piriformis stretch, hip stretch. This is a different kind of knee flexion than the traditional straight on knee flexion. So anyway, I'm getting distracted. Now how do we get back up? Right? Because that's everybody's primary concern. Well, we have a couple options here. So probably the least practical, but one option is I sit with my back against the couch. My feet, so again, this is my surgical side, this is my non-surgical side. My feet are arranged in front of me. And one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a hip bridge. You guys were probably doing hip bridges before surgery, definitely after surgery. You're familiar with the exercise. But what I'm doing is I'm doing a hip bridge from here to get my hips up like this. Now, I can just do that again as an exercise, but essentially what we're doing, we go hips up, we kind of walk ourselves back. Once I'm here, now I'm just slouching, but I'm on the couch. So I can keep working myself back until I'm seated again. The other option, let's review getting down. So I go to my non-surgical knee, I roll, I come down. I can even sit back so I don't have to do a full 360. I go like 90 degrees and I go back. What's my other option? Well, the simple option, the best way to do it, roll to the non-surgical knee, come to here, hands on the couch, kind of scooch in next to it, and then literally I can go from here to here with almost no effort. I'm literally just kind of rolling onto the couch. Then from here, obviously, I can sit up, I can correct the positioning. There's just lots of ways to do it. But my goal for you is to explore these ideas with your therapist, with your surgeon. I know some surgeons don't want you kneeling on the replaced side, so in this video I focused on strategies you can use without kneeling, but that allow you to get down, get back up. If you have more questions, if you want more content just like this, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, like the videos. The more videos you like, the more the algorithm of YouTube will help share these videos with others. And then post in the comments, what can I bring to you? What are some questions I can answer for you? How can I help you make the rehab experience more enjoyable? For now, guys, I wish you the best. I love hearing your comments. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.